Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the daily candle, it's finished here. And it gives us here a very nice engulfing pattern here. And that pattern is in a very stronger level as you see it. That one here, if we came like that, is it very stronger here, engulfing pattern. So what that indicating, that is indicating the market is going to go higher, guys. But now also we still sideways here, guys. That's what me have been telling you all along. And the people they been with us in Friday, I told you in the options, I told you majority of the people or majority of options traders, they bidding the Bitcoin, it will not go higher than 17,500 and it will not break below 16,500, guys, like that. So that's what it's looking all the week. We're going to stay here. Maybe now we're going to go up to here. So that one for short term, for scalpers and day traders, we're aiming for a little bit of profit like that. But for long term, as we said it here, we said we got here an inside bar like that and like that. If we don't break higher here, there is no entry. And if we don't break lower here, there is no entry short or long. So as you see it now, also we being here all that long, guys. Also we are just sideways here as you see it here and here and here. So there is nothing new here. And for bigger picture, guys, if we make it like that and we see the big picture, what the market telling us here, if you remember what me I told you, because I know some people they just came now. I told you in the Wyckoff we got two levels here and the one here in the top like that. And I told you also we break in here, that one that break will happen here. If the market came back inside here, that is going to be the bottom 100%, guys. That one here, that break here is going to be the bottom. But till now, us we still down here. Now we got two scenarios, guys. Either from here, from that level where we are here, we're going to break lower here and we're going to break that last low here, the one here. That means we're going to go to that 10K, those people they dreaming of. For another scenario, we're going to go up here and we're going to go higher here to 20K. And that one is going to be the best scenario going to happen to the Bitcoin. And all those people, they're missing the opportunity from down here. They're missing the day of their life. Everything is very simple, guys. So till now, us we need to wait in. And here, I show you even that one before, but it's okay to repeat it. I show you we got here a down channel like that. We came with touching the lower of it here. So now either we're going to go up with touching here, that level here, and that one is going to be the very good signal. If we go from here till here till 20K, that is going to be the best scenario we're going to happen to be Bitcoin, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. By the way, before we go to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you two videos. Every day, two videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. That's the coming news for tomorrow, guys. As you see it, we got just for USA tomorrow. We got that one, the consumer confidence. And as you see the forecast here, it's showing it's going to come better than the previous one. And me, I tell it to you, USA, everything it look okay now. Only problem they still have in the building sector or the housing sector. That's the problem now. And we have tomorrow that one, guys, as you see it, that exiting home sales for November, and the forecast here it's showing is going to come below than the previous one. As you see it, the previous one it used to be 4.43 million, and the forecast is going to come 4.20 million, or maybe it's going to come lower than that. And that one is the biggest problem for America now at this moment, guys. The biggest problem is the housing sectors. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And another thing here, what we got, our friend that one, also we're looking at it every day, guys. As you see it, US stocks today, they close in the day green. As I show you in the previous video, I show you they are going to close green, but they still falling down. And that's what it's showing here. They closing green, but not that much. As you see at 0.01, 0.1, 0.2, all that going up is not that much. And down here, our friend, the VIX, was it telling us, guys? Us, we still above 20, but it fell down below how it used to be yesterday. Yesterday, we used to be 22 point something. Now we are 21.48. That man is getting a little bit lower, and scarness is getting a little bit lower, but not yet, guys. It's not yet. It's too much. And I told you all that market recovery today, it came because of Japan, what they did. And that one is a big mistake from the Bank of Japan. I don't know what's going to happen. The only thing I can say. So we are very close, guys, to the bottom, but not yet. We are very close, but not yet. And I got for you some on-chain data. It's going to tell you that we are very close. So let's go in there to see it. The on-chain data, guys, I got it for you. Is that one. The price forecast tool, is it that one? And that one what me I told you before. People they been with me for some time, I'll show it to them, but people they just came now. If you see here that green one here and that yellow one here, that to the indication for you are in the bottom. And how you going to know it? Let me zoom it a little bit like that. As you see, guys, here, now look here. You see that yellow one when it's crossing below that green one, and the price touching here, that green one here at the bottom. And now what's happening? The yellow one, it crossing below, and that one here is it at the green. So that one is the bottom, guys. That's what me I've been telling you, but we need a confirmation extra for us to know that the bottom. And as you see it, even the purple one, it's breaking from the top, it's breaking the red one. So as you see it here, it's breaking down. So also we are very close here to the bottom in the on-chain data. But not yet, guys. We need to wait in a little bit. And I'll show it to you before I told you all those things about it. But we are very close, guys. So try to DCA and collecting more cash and DCA and forget about everything. Because all those news and that drama online, it just scared you to make you to sell. You just buy slowly and forget about everything. The day when the Bitcoin is going to take off, all those people they scaring you, you will not find them next to you. Remember that. It's going back now to the chart, guys. Here we are, guys. As I told you, guys, now you are very close. How are you going to know yourself that the bottom, as I told you, when it's going to break here? That level here is the most important level. If we came back and we break here, that one 100%, me I'm talking here about long-term investment. If we break inside here, that the bottom, guys, buy your eye close. Now you just they say maybe that one is going to be the bottom, maybe it's going to be the lower. Nobody knows. But also we analyze for you the on-chain, the fundamental, the technical analysis, everything it's showing. We are very close to the bottom, and all those people they make you scared. Don't care about them. Bitcoin, I think that one is the bottom, guys. People they been with me also we buy from here, from that low here, and we still waiting the market to move upward. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they say for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, people they been with us, also we buy from here, and that level we sell our investment. It said that one number 1, that one number 2 here, and that one number 3. So let's say you buy $100 from number 1, $100 from number 2 here. When it came to number 3, I told you sell was it equal number 1 and number 2. That means if you collecting, if you make here a plus like that, you buy $100 from 1 and $100 from 2, that $200. When it came to here, you're going to sell what is equal $200 like that, and you're going to live with some Bitcoin. That one is free cash. If that one came and breaking upward here, we're going to buy again because us we got free cash. If it fall down, guys, here we will buy again from lower place. That money management, by the way, guys, is very well explained in our crypto investing course. If you want it, is it down in the first comment. It's not expensive. It's only $13. It's only the price of a cup of coffee. And believe me, that course is better than million of courses they sell it to you online by $1,000 and $2,000. Believe me when I tell you that, because me I watch a lot of courses and majority of them, you don't even came 1% of that course. That is up to you, my friend. So here, guys, as you see it, we came back, we touching here that wall. Now either we're going to break up, or from here that one just resting, then you're going to see it falling down more. Also, we are prepared for all the scenarios, and we came to you every day. Now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter short here. When we break in here, that level here, if you remember, people they've been with us. When it's breaking here, we enter short. It came down here at that level. I told you protect yourself. I told you protect yourself here in the first one here. Second one here, when it came here, I told you check some of the profit. Now we're still waiting if either we're going to go higher or we are going to continue downward, guys. And here watch me, I told you like that, we make it like that in the last video. I told you we got here like a wedge channel. It doesn't being broken upward, guys. And the way how it needs to be broken, it needs to make a big difference. It needs to be a big candle like that, a big engulfing candle with power. If it's getting broken like that, that's another story. But if a sideways candle like those smaller ones here, that one it's not a break, that one it's still more early for us to think of to enter long. I've been explaining all those things to you before, and I'll show you even here for sure. The market is given us here, as you see it, a head and shoulder here. The neckline is here, that one down. It doesn't being broke, so there is no entry short yet down here. And me, I'll show you everything about the option I told you. And those ones, they know what they're doing, and the volume is too much of Bitcoin. They're thinking the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here in that level, and that's what it's looking, guys. It's looking we're going to close the week here. Even the 200 moving average is showing to us that if we came and we do it like that, what you see in here, you see the 200 moving average here, it's being trending, and now it's sideways like that. It's flat. There is no going up, no going down. It's just the volatility carrying us up and down. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. So we're going there. That one here, guys, I'll show you got here a small divergence in the last video. You can go back and watch it. Also over here, we're taking some of the profit when we're reaching there. When it's breaking here, we enter short. It came the first one here. I told you close some of the profit. Here I told you close some of the profit. Now look tell where you are. We are here at the middle. So us guys, we be in here. Where is the bears? They controlling. Now we go back to there is no bulls, no bears. They controlling now here. Both of them they are equal. Now either from here we're going to fall down again, we go down to the oversold area, or from here we're going to back upward. We don't know exactly, guys, what's going to happen. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, as you remember when it touching here the oversold area, I told you close some of the profit, and that's what happened. As you see, it's going upward now. So now what should we do, guys? We need to find a price action. Even that price action here, it's not that very clear like that. It's need to fall down to give us another wave for us to know is that what is the price action. Because now even if it's breaking upward, it needs to break with big power. If it's breaking, we can enter till here, till that level here, that one. But we need to wait in a little bit because I'm not sure by that price action here. I'm still not yet. What can we say? Let's make it like that. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So maybe we're going to see it falling down again. Maybe you're going to see it going upward. We need to wait in a little bit. For downward, also we enter short from here. And we're still waiting either if we're going to fall down again or it's going to go higher. But I think it's going to go higher, guys. Why? Because Monday candle and today, Tuesday, it's closed green candle like that. That is indicating the market is going to go up because as I told you, Monday candle, it's making against what is going to do the market all the week. And Monday candle, it's pushing downward till here. Then as you see it, it came big power, it's pushing up. But that big power is not that much in the volume down. The volume is still very small. But we don't know what's going to happen, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. I told you here before we have here a wedge like that. If it's breaking upward, enter long. It's breaking here in that level, and even now you can enter long. I think it's going to go upward, so let's wait and what's going to happen because even the volume here in 30 minutes it's showing a big volume going upward. If you zoom it like that, and you see, as you see in here, guys, big people they buying now, and the sellers very minors here. So I think we are going to go another run for upward, guys. Maybe till here, till that zone here, that one here. It's our indicator, guys, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, it's saying also we enter here to the overbought area. So the people they enter from down here. If you are in profit, try to close something and protect yourself. That just scalping, guys. You need to know what you're doing. But our other indicator, let's see it. Our other indicator, guys, it hasn't been touched here, the overbought area. It was very close here in that zone here, and now here it's showing a momentum getting lower, but not yet. That's what it's showing here. So for scalpers, if you are in profit, try to protect yourself, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.